Hello all, namaskar, good morning, adab, whatever like Sastriyakal, greetings for the day. So today again I'm going to start my class with the Russian alphabet. So total Russian letters are 33. So today again my plan why I'm just repeating it because if you know the correctly pronunciation that will be good for any language you are learning. So that I'm going to taught you through the native speaker how they speak or that pronounce Russian alphabet. So let's start today. Pay attention to the class. So you can see on the screen here first letter is bukwa in Russian. Okay, A. So how they are pronouncing it? Just listen it and then you can practice at your home.
A, 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 A,
So can you see this letter is A. Next one
B, B,
Ba.
B,
Ba.
B,
And you can see on the screen how they are writing it. Okay, so written form is there. You can visit to my previous class, so all practice are there. Okay, you can get to know that how to practice it. If you need the PDF, you just put your comment in the comment box, then I will provide you.
B, V, V, V,
Right.
G, 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 G,
So gay, right?
D,
They,
D,
they,
D,
they, like that.
Y, Y,
Ye, like J, ye, right?
Y,
Ye,
Y,
ye,
Y,
like that.
Yo,
Yo, like Joe. Zo. So yo,
Yo, Yo,
yo.
Yo,
Mm-hmm.
Ж,
Z,
Ж,
J.
Ж,
Mm-hmm.
Ж, Ж, Ж,
Right? J, not J. J, like that.
Ж,
J.
Ж, Ж,
Mm-hmm. Next.
З,
This is J.
З, З,
J wala.
З,
Mm-hmm. Zebra. Like that J.
З,
Mm-hmm.
І,
E.
І, І,
This is simply.
І, І, Ікрат, Ікрат, Ікрат,
So E kratki. Like stress wala E. Like that.
Ікрат,
Mm-hmm.
К, Л, К, К,
Ka.
К,
Ka.
К, 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 Л, М, Л, 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 М, Н, М, 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 М,
Like M. M. Okay. M.
М, Н,
N. So how they are writing? So you can see in the left side here, right? You can see.
Н, 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 О, 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 П, 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 П,
P.
П,
P.
P,
Like
P,
Mhm.
R
R
R
R
R R R
R
R
R. Not R.
S S
Listen this one. S
S
S
S
S
S S S T T T
T. Not T. T. Right? T.
T T T T U U U U U U
Mhm.
U F F F
What is
F
that? F. F.
F F
F. F. Like that.
F H H
H.
H
H.
H
H.
H
H.
H
H.
H
H.
H C
Listen.
C
T. T and S. Right?
C C
T is silent.
C C
S.
C
S.
C
S.
C C Ch
Ch. Ch. Like Ch. 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 Like that.
Ch 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 Ша Ша
Sha.
Ша
Sha. Like that. Huh?
Ша 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 Ща Ща
See.
Ща
ऐसा वाला.
Ща
Sh.
Ща
Sh.
Ща Ща Твердый знак
Tвердый знак, that is hard sign.
Твердый знак Твердый знак И И
Listen carefully. Uy.
И
Uy. Like that.
И И И И И
Like from inside it should come. Uy. Like that.
И Мягкий знак
Soft sign. Okay.
Мягкий знак
So
Мягкий
this is
знак
the sign for soft sign. So this is A.
Э Э Э Ю Я Ю Ю
What is that?
You.
Like juice. You.
Ю Ю Ю Ю Ю Я
Okay.
Я Я Я
So thank you all. So today you learned about alphabet pronunciation. So correctly how to pronounce and then native how they are pronouncing. So if you want again just I will uh, repeat for you in my language in my pronunciation. So what is that? Yeah. What is it? Yeah.
Ю
You. A.
Мягкий знак
Soft sign. Мягкий знак.
И
И.
Твердый знак
Твердый знак. Hard sign.
Ща
Ша.
Ша
Ша.
Че
Че.
Ц
Це.
Ха
Ха.
Ф
Фа. Па. Па. Funny. Pa. 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 Like that.
У
U.
Т
Te.
С
S. 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 Normal वाला. Sh. S. S.
Р
R.
П
P.
О
O.
Н
N. N वाला.
M,
M,
L,
L नहीं L,
K,
K,
ईकरा,
E, E और लंबा वाला
E,
लॉन्ग, सिंपल E,
Z,
जेब्रा वाला J,
Ž,
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 Yo,
Yo,
Ye,
Ye,
D,
D,
G,
G,
V,
V,
B,
B, A. Okay. So thank you. Just practice at your home, listen patiently, and then you will get to know the correct pronunciation. Then you can visit to my next class. Thank you so much.